The iPhone 16 is packed with hidden features, including several things we've been asking Apple for over the years, features they quietly added without much attention. Today, I'm going to show you all the things you probably haven't noticed yet that make this iPhone a true upgrade. Plus, there's at least one exclusive feature in this video you won't find anywhere else. So let's dive into these secret display changes. First, Apple highlighted the improved battery life of the iPhone 16, but the biggest change is its faster charging. The entire iPhone 16 lineup now charges significantly quicker than earlier models. Previously, iPhones had a 30-watt charging capacity, which was relatively slow compared to many other phones. This year, Apple boosted the iPhone 16's charging speed to 45 watts, marking a 50% increase. If you prefer charging with MagSafe, that speed has also been upgraded from 15 watts to 25 watts. Overall, your iPhone 16 will charge much faster than before. Next, if you decide to buy the iPhone 16 Pro, you'll find a hidden change inside. In the higher-end models, Apple has made a significant upgrade to the battery by using a new stainless steel housing. This not only increases the battery capacity thanks to new technology, but also improves heat management. As a result, the iPhone 16 Pro should run cooler than previous models. The iPhone 16 screens can now get dimmer than any previous model, reaching as low as just 1 nit of brightness. In comparison, last year's iPhone 15 Pro could only dim to about 10 nits. This feature is available on all iPhone 16 models, not just the Pro versions. So, if you like to use your phone in bed at night, this makes for a much more pleasant experience. Next, Apple has significantly improved Wi-Fi on all iPhone 16 models by including the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard across the entire lineup. Wi-Fi 7 offers faster speeds and lower latency and can support more devices on your network at once. While most routers today don't have Wi-Fi 7, when you upgrade your home internet in the future, your iPhone 16 will already be ready to take full advantage of it. So, Apple is essentially future-proofing these phones by adding this cutting-edge technology, even though it's not widely available yet. While Wi-Fi got faster on all models, if you own an iPhone 16 Pro, 5G speeds also got a major boost. According to SpeedSmart, the iPhone 16 Pro now supports download speeds that are up to 26% faster. Of course, this can vary based on your carrier, but in the US, it looks like the promise of real 5G is finally being fulfilled. The 5G speeds on the iPhone 16 Pro are a big improvement compared to the early days of 5G on iPhones 4 years ago. Unfortunately, this upgrade is exclusive to the Pro model, so the standard iPhone 16 will still have slower 5G speeds. Next, the iPhone 16 introduces the new camera control button, which is this year's flagship feature, but Apple didn't mention everything it can do. For starters, you can remap it to other camera apps like Instagram, Snapchat, or my favorite, Halide, which offers more manual control over your photos. This is the first time you can replace the default camera app on an iPhone, which is pretty exciting. In the future, some apps will even update to offer exclusive features with this button, but those updates aren't out yet. Another cool option is customizing how the button works. If you go to accessibility and settings, you can adjust how hard you need to press the button to activate it. This is useful if you find yourself accidentally pressing it when you don't mean to. Finally, if the camera control button isn't your thing, you can completely disable it in the settings. It won't work in any app, won't launch the camera, and doesn't function as a shutter button. It's like the button isn't even there. I'm honestly surprised Apple lets you turn off such a major feature. Macro photography is available on the regular iPhone models, a feature that used to be exclusive to the more expensive Pro versions. This means that when you get up close to an object, even the standard iPhones can now capture an impressive level of detail, offering photo quality that was once only possible on the Pro models. On the Pros, there are some exclusive camera features, like shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second. On the iPhone 16 Pro, you can adjust playback speed directly in the Photos app. There's a special section that lets you fine-tune the slow-mo video speed, which is awesome because you don't need any video editing software, just make the changes right on your iPhone. The cameras on the iPhone 16 models have improved this year, but one standout feature is the new audio tools, especially the audio mix option. This feature makes your audio sound much better like it was recorded in a professional setting. While we thought this would only be for the Pro models, it's available on the regular iPhone 16 models too. Thanks to the A18 chip in all the iPhone 16 models, Apple was able to bring this audio mix feature to every device. So even if you're just recording a fun video on the base model, your sound can be much more professional. But the audio changes don't stop there. The speakers on the iPhone 16 Pro have been improved too. They sound a bit warmer and more balanced, giving you slightly better audio than before. It's not a huge change, but with the addition of 4 microphones on the iPhone 16 Pros, it's clear that audio is the secret upgrade in this year's lineup. Well, these are the hidden features and changes on the iPhone 16 models. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.